Okay, so what we're going to do now is start recording voice. This is the main screen in Audacity. Let's take a look at some of the features that it has. All right, on this left side, you will see very common and typical buttons that are used for recording. This is to start at the beginning of the recording, the play button, record button, pause button, stop button, and go to the end of the recording button. There are also some other very useful icons. You will probably get familiar with some of these as you start using Audacity, but the most important ones will be this one, all right, which is the select cursor. And if you go to the right side of the screen, you will find these magnifying glasses, the plus and minus, which will either amplify or reduce the size of a particular part of your recording. So what we're going to do now is record an example of audio to see how everything works. So click on the record button and we will start recording an example of voice. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, test, 1, 2, 3. This is an example of a tutorial on how to use Audacity. We'll stop the recording now, and if you click on play, you will listen to what you just recorded. Okay, you probably noticed that there is a little distortion in sound at the end of this audio file. So what we can do, and this is editing, what we can do is eliminate that last part because we probably don't need it, or you want to re-record it. So what you're going to do is use this select button and choose the portion that you want to delete, which will be this last part where we were talking about the purpose of this audio file. Okay, when you have selected it, simply click on the delete button and voila, you have eliminated that part of your recording. Now, you probably will see that there are two recordings, one on top of the other. This represents that the recording is in stereo, right? So it's channel 1 and channel 2, but we'll not worry about that. So this is basically how you record audio. In the next section of the tutorial, I will show you how to include music.